Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the media page in DaVinci Resolve 18. To get to the media page, you go down to where it says media here and press on it, and then you're on the media page. Today I'm going to show you the basics. First we're going to look at the media pool. So, when you go onto the media page, you'll see the media pool is bigger than the other pages, and then there's this bit up here. So you can get your media the normal way by right-clicking and then pressing import media, but there is a quicker way, and that is going up to here. So you will have all of your files and your clips here. So I might want to get this clip here, then I might want to go on to this bit, and then maybe get, if it, one. So we have a screen here where you can input or output your clips, so the source viewer, and then there are bins here, and with the bins, if you want to make a new one, it's where you can put your clips. They're just more organised. So let's say I might want these two in here, and then I want these two on here. If I go on to bin 1 up here. So you can still use the inspector page and the metadata page on the media page, just like on the edit page, but there is a extra one that we're going to look at, and that is the audio one. If you press on it, it shows this right here. You might not know what that is, but if I play my clip, it shows up the audio here and how loud it is. So red is really loud, yellow's in. Now this bit here, so you can look at the screen like this, or you can look at the audio track instead and use the input and output with the audio, or you can see it better with either. And then you can mute your audio here while you're playing this, right here. And now we are going to look at the left side of the media page right here. So the first thing we're going to look at is expand. If you press on it, your media pool and bins move over to here. I'm just going to move that so this bit's bigger. And then your files here have gotten bigger, so it might be a lot. You might have way more files going down here, or you might have way more clips going down here, but it is just easier access to it. And then this, and then the next one right here, zoom, so you can zoom in on your clips that are in your files like this, and there's also a zoom one here so the next thing we're going to look at is this button right here, and I don't know what the name is, and I don't even know if it has a name. If you press it, it removes your files, but your clips will still show up. So your files are here, now it's gone, and there's one right here, but it's for the bins instead, so your media pool will get bigger. But you can undo it just by repressing it again, like that. That's it, you have learnt the basics of the media page. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you did. And I may see you in the next one. Bye!